What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And I am absolutely shocked because I leave for like a couple of hours and go and do some other things and come back, and cryptocurrency is just looking like I don't even know how to classify it. It's exploding. That's what it's doing. I mean, you see cryptocurrency making these huge moves, and you think, oh, you know what? Bitcoin is at a high. Bitcoin is going to kind of, settle out or settle in, and we're going to see other coins that really start to come up. But Bitcoin is not done yet. Bitcoin is still making moves, and it's sitting at a way higher market cap, approaching a $2 trillion market cap. That is absolutely insane to, one, see the level of growth, to two, see that trickle down effect to everything else, which we will get into in other videos. Now, before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, which is honestly a really, really good platform that I've been using for quite some time. I just recently took profit on all the positions that I had there because I wanted to take all the profit that we had while we settled in, and maybe we saw a little bit of a pullback. Because, as you see these levels of gains, you expect to see some sort of pullbacks, especially as you hit significant levels like $85,000. Getting to $85,000, you're like, okay, yeah, you're definitely going to see a little bit of something, right? A little bit of some negativity. However, no, scratch that. We're going to see 86,000 and almost approach 87,000. So these levels have just been insane. But if you look at the platforms that I have down below, this platform, BTCC, is a great platform that I've been utilizing for a little bit, a little over 3 weeks now, and you can get a 10% deposit bonus, $500 USDT or more. You can get up to $10,000 of extra bonuses, as well as getting 40% lower trading fees. And this is the platform for you if you are kind of maybe early stages, because you can do everything under the sun, right? You can trade outright. You can do a small leverage trade. You can do a large leverage trade. You can do a massive leverage trade. You can do up to 500x leverage, but you can also do as little as a 1x leverage or 2x leverage or 3x leverage and things like that, right? So feel free to check out my link for BTCC down below. This is what the platform looks like. And if you guys need practice, if you don't feel comfortable with that, you can do demo trading, where you start out with, you're not spending any of your money, but you're just trading and seeing what you can do as practice. And if you become profitable, then you know what your strategy can be. As you can see here, my balance is up to $629.63. Again, I cleared out all of my leverage trades. I started with $250 and made a large amount of money. I don't know if I could show my order history, but I would have to go in and try and find how to do that. Next video, I'll find that. But yeah, go ahead and check that out. Anyways, let's get into the video. Let's get into this information, because as I've gone into the crypto market, again, I walked away. Went to go do some things. I had to send some cards to be graded by Beckett. So I sent all of those cards over to be graded and, did everything I needed to do shipping wise and all that stuff. And I have, honestly, my desk doesn't really look the most organized right now. But still, I had to come on here and put out this video because the markets are looking amazing. Again, I left, came back, and the markets look like this. We're currently at a $2.88 trillion market cap with a 5% increase. And Bitcoin's dominance, it says it's decreasing, which I don't understand. I guess that's probably not updated, because Bitcoin's dominance should decreasing. It's definitely should be increasing with how much this has run. It's gone from an $80,000 mark all the way up to $86,304.77. If we scroll down here, actually, let's look just at Bitcoin. If we look at where Bitcoin is, again, it's seeing $101 billion worth of volume just by itself. Market cap is sitting at a $1.7 trillion market cap, 8% increase on the day. And obviously volume, you know all about that information there as you get into what can be mined and what can't be mined. If we look at the high for the day, right, it says the all-time high, right, is $86,615.22, which happened 9 minutes ago. 9 minutes ago that this has happened. Today's low was $78,000 and ran all the way up to $86,000. People that hold Bitcoin are very, very happy right now. If you hold one solid Bitcoin, if you were able to buy Bitcoin, literally, let's go a year. Literally a year ago at 37,000, you are insanely happy right now because you made so much money, not just percentage wise, but you made so much money altogether. Where 37,000 turned to 86,000, you more than doubled your money at that point. However, if you were able to make that investment even further back, where it was in 2022, you made so much money, and I don't know how many Bitcoin you bought. If you bought 1 or 2 Bitcoin or 5 or 10 Bitcoin, you're making so much out of this, breaking this all-time high, breaking this all-time high, and then breaking another all-time high multiple times for the last couple of days. It's been amazing to see this level of growth. And for this, it's not only happening for Bitcoin, right? Yes, we're seeing Bitcoin up a massive amount. If you had the luxury of buying at any of these moments, right? It doesn't matter if it was 200, it was less than $1,000. If you bought at any of these points and bought thousands of dollars or bought multiple Bitcoin, let's say you have 10, you now have $860,000. You spent $10,000 to get $860,000. And that's what we're all hoping for in the end with all the positions that we're buying. I have no Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin really just kind of runs the direction of the market for everything else. So when I see Bitcoin running, it gets me excited for everything else that's in the market, even though it may not directly trickle down to it in the beginning. It may have to take a little bit in order to have that trickle down effect. And you could see how it's having that effect across the board, because if we go back to the front of CoinMarketCap, the home page, again, we're at a $2.92 trillion market cap. And again, there we go, the dominance has increased by 1.16%. And we're approaching the $3 trillion market cap soon. But you look at other things, Ethereum's up to 3,300. Honestly, it should be higher than that, but it's up to 3,300. Solana's over a $100 billion market cap. Dogecoin is at a $47 billion market cap, up 19%. And others are actually making huge moves as well. So there's a huge trickle-down effect to many other projects, as we've seen all of that level of growth, and maybe some people saying, you know what, I like where Bitcoin is, but I now need to put some money in some other places. And it's making the market more and more greedy. But I can't wait until altcoin season, until a lot of this money, these billions or hundreds of billions of dollars, go from investing into Bitcoin to investing into other things that are in the market, a lot of other things. The total crypto market volume over the past 24 hours is $263 billion. That's approaching the last bull run where we saw 300 billion for a couple of days, 200 plus billion for multiple days. And look, I'm very hyped. This is literally just the beginning. As you look at altcoins that are making moves and more people that are getting into this, I am insanely hyped, insanely happy, and honestly, I have to change glasses before I record my next video, which is going to be talking about CRO. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC and start trading today, a leverage trade, 2x to 500x leverage trades, feel free to check that out. That's at the top of the description. I also have a link for Margex if you guys are interested in that platform as well. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. And I don't even know what else to say. These gains are just fantastic. I'm just going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the gains. Catch you in the next one. See ya.